ओम श्री सतनाम साखी जय श्री कृष्ण. Satsang Varkha, Book 3, Different Contexts from the Discourses of Sadguru Swami Shanti Prakash Ji Maharaj. Context 4. A child's love for Maharaj Ji. In earlier times, people used to be very simple and the means were limited, but there was a lot of truth and faith. There was a feeling of love and respect in the heart for saints. One of those days, Guru Maharaj Ji reached a city while doing bhajan kirtan. The people of that city were very happy to hear the arrival of saints. Dancing and singing in joy, they all welcomed Sadguru Maharaj Ji. As the satsang started there, people would come to pay obeisances to Maharaj Ji. Some would keep offerings, some would bring prasad, some would bring a garland of flowers, etc. Meanwhile, a small boy came to Guru Maharaj Ji and bowed his head. Then holding Maharaj Ji's hand, he said, "Take this money." Maharaj Ji smiled and said to the child, "What should I do with it?" The child said, "Sai, it is for you to spend." Guru Maharaj Ji said, "Why are you giving it to me?" The child said, "I saw all these people giving you something or the other, so I also felt like giving something. I asked my father for something to give you." Guru Maharaj Ji was very pleased to see such love from a child, and wherever he went, he would definitely narrate this story in the satsang. Context 5. Maharaj Ji's dispassion from the world. Sadguru Swami Teoram Ji Maharaj's love for the Lord increased day by day. He spent time away from home, sometimes with saints, sometimes in the forest, sometimes on the outskirts of the city, staying away from the world and family and living in the happiness of chanting the Lord's name. Sadguru Swami Teoram Ji's mother, Mata Krishna, was very concerned. She thought Guru Maharaj Ji was possessed by some ghost that takes him to all these deserted and quiet areas. One day she said to Maharaj Ji, "Son, what has happened to you? You don't like sitting at home. You never sit with us." Guru Maharaj Ji explained a lot to her, but she was not satisfied with his answers. Mata Krishna said, "Everyone is telling me that your boy is possessed or is under some spell. He never stays still and seems to be disinterested." Mata Krishna tried many things to break this spell to get her son interested in the family and the world. But as she took these measures, Guru Maharaj Ji's disinterest in the world continued to increase. Maharaj Ji increased his visits to saints. Guru Maharaj Ji started telling his mother, "Mata, who can stop love? Even God could not stop it." Our Sami Sahib says, "To see the one who has fallen in love, God himself comes down from the skies." If someone's son is returning from abroad, the father goes to receive him at the airport. And if someone asks him, "Why are you leaving? Your son will come home," the father says, "No, I will go and see him personally at the airport." This is love. Mata Krishna said, "Son, the crops have to be grown. The rainy season is about to come. Once the crop is ready, then you can go." Maharaj Ji said, "Mata, the rain will come, the harvest will also happen. But the saints that have come now, this hour will not come again. This hour is priceless. I want to serve them. Look at how many saints you have served. Then why do you stop me?" Maharaj Ji would sell the utensils in the house, and from that money he would buy useful things for the saints. He would serve the saints a lot. To this Mata Krishna said, "Son, what are you doing? We will be condemned by the society. Why do you associate with the saints? They don't have any job or business." Maharaj Ji said, "Mata, please don't say that. The work which a saint does in a day, people cannot do it even in a whole life. They are devoted to the Lord. They serve everyone around them. They chant the name of the Lord. Don't worry about these utensils. We will work hard and get them back. But such sages will never be found again. They have blessed me, and I cannot stop thinking about serving these great saints." Mata Krishna said, "All right, son, as you wish. But tell me one thing, Why do you sit in crematoriums or forests? Why do you go to such deserted places? Guru Maharaj Ji said, Mata, I go there so I do not have fear ever again. I want to let go of the illusions, doubts and fears of this world. बोलिए सद्गुरुदेव भगवान की जय।